Today's tip for therapists. If a client complains of some issues and problems in their current life, you can offer some solace and wisdom using your own life experiences. For example, if the client tells you of a problem in their relationship, your response could be, "You think you've got it bad? Let me tell you what my partner, child, parent, dog did yesterday. You'll never believe it." Or if the client complains of a health issue, your response could be, "You think you've got it bad? Let me tell you of that fungal infection in, never mind, you get the picture." Or if the client complains of problems at work, your response could be, "You think you've got a problem? Try to get into my shoes. All the trouble I get in my work with people like you." So these wonderful examples from your own life can offer some great life lessons to your clients. This is our tip for today. Thank you for listening. See you soon for another tip.